Dr. Krebs with Chicago Spine Sports. Tristan here is going to perform some rolling patterns that we utilize in the office. So he's going to start lying on his back. He's going to take a small foam roll or an object as such. He's going to place it in between his forearm and his knees. With it in this position, he's going to press those together to create some tension. And with this, he's going to roll towards the side that he's using the half foam roll. With this, he's trying to keep his shoulders and his hips together. His knees will remain separated, and as he'll get to a point where he feels he's going to fall forward, he's going to hold at that position for about a count of 3 seconds, and then he's going to roll back. All of this should be controlled and keeping his hips and his shoulders together for this exercise. Then to progress from this exercise, he's going to get rid of the foam roll, and he's going to be in the same position, and now he's going to do it without the foam roll in between his leg and forearm and arm. And back off. And again, he's going to perform for prescribed repetitions.